All right, always good for an initial setup to season the grates. You can never over season. Just for the record, I usually do it every 3 or 4 cooks. But once our grill has been on high for 5 to 10 minutes, we want to take any kind of oil, any cooking oil will work. I like avocado oil. Today I'm using vegetable shortening. It's going to coat these grates really nicely. I usually just use a paper towel and some tongs and lightly coat all the cooking grates. This is really going to help with the non-sticking of food when you're cooking, and it's also going to prevent corrosion. And that's it. We'll let that bake in for a few more minutes and call them seasoned.